Hello friends, welcome to this course JAMstack with projects. So learn JAMstack while creating projects. So are there any course requirements or prerequisites? Yes. To work on this project, you must have the following skill sets. You should have basic knowledge of HTML, basic knowledge of CSS, and basic knowledge of JavaScript. Course objective. Participant will be able to implement JAMstack concepts in current and future projects. What you will learn in this course. So we will create a blog website using Eleventy and Contentful. Then we will create an e-commerce website using Gatsby JS and GraphQL. And then we will deploy the websites on Netlify as well. So who are the targeted students? Students with no JAMstack experience, front-end developers, and anyone who wants to learn JAMstack. By the end of the course, you will have the following skill sets. Hands-on regarding practical and real-life scenarios of creating blog website and e-commerce website using JAMstack. So let's see what are we going to build. So this is the first website which we are going to build. These are the blog posts. There's an image, there's a title, and there is a description. If I click on this, it will take you to the detail page where you can see the title and the blog post. If I go back and if I click on this, this is the second blog post. This is the title and this is the description. And all this is coming from Contentful. So as you can see, I have created these two blog posts. This is the first one and this is the second one. If I click and change something, it will reflect here. Okay, this is the CMS for our website. Okay, and the second project which we are going to build is a e-commerce store. So these are the products which are coming from Shopify. So as you can see, I have added two products and you can see these two products here. So if I click here on this product, you can click on add to cart and this product will be added to the cart. And if I go to the cart page, you can update, remove, you can check out this product as well. Okay. So if I click on update here, as you can see, there are two items. And if I click on update, so this item is updated and the amount has changed. You can remove this item as well. Okay. So now the cart is empty. If I go to the home page, now as you can see, the cart is empty. If I click here, if I click on add to cart, so this product is been added to the cart. And if I go to cart, you can update, remove. Okay. And even if you can add multiple products. So now there are two products. Okay. So this is a e-commerce kind of website which we are going to build, and all these products are coming from Shopify, and this is been uploaded on Netlify. Okay, so this is a live website. Again, this is also a live website which is uploaded to Netlify. Okay, and I will share all this code on my GitHub repository. If you are stuck somewhere while coding, you can just go to this link and you can get the files. Okay, and here are the asset as well. You can find the images which I have used here, and this is the files. You can just check while coding if you are stuck somewhere. So these are the two websites which we are going to build, and I'm super excited. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.